Hi everyone. I've been away from the hobby for about 8 months now due to family matters and that sort of thing, but back at it again now that the outside spring cleanup is done. While away, I thought maybe I'd add a crossover to the layout, so I thought I'd make this little video showing how I install two tortoise machines. I connect my tortoise machines to my schematic panel via a toggle switch. It's a double pole, double throw center off switch, much like Flyman JG has done in his videos. For the tortoise machine, I just drill a hole right in through here, just one size bigger than the one that comes with the tortoise machine. And then I insert the wire with a little bend in it as per the instructions that come with the tortoise machines. I insert it in the hole, put it up in here, in the hole that I just drilled. It goes in like so. There you go. And then it's just a matter of installing it on the turnout. The first thing I did was remove a couple of pieces of track and put in two number 6 Pico Insulfrog turnouts. I've already drilled the holes. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right about there I drilled 3/8 inch holes down through the layout, and then I'll install the turnouts, clamp them down, and then I usually drill a little bit of a hole in the turnout switch pan here, just so that I can get a little thicker wire through. As far as the turnouts are concerned, the tortoise machines are concerned, I've already soldered them up and rough wired them in just to test them out. As you can see, I use the red wire for positive and this is the white wire for negative, and the same on the other one, red, white. And because they're a crossover, then you have to put the white to the red and the red to the white, and then join it into the toggle machine. The toggle is connected by the red and white wires, one white going from left to right and the red going right to left to the bottom pole, and in the middle is where the tortoise machines connect in, the red on one side and the white on the other. And the other two lines going down from the bottom toggle or bottom poles go into the 12-volt power supply. I also incorporate a little LED. It's a 2mm bipolar red-green, and in there on the positive side, already buried in the shrink tube, is a 680 ohm resistor connected to the anode, which is the positive side, and then it just runs down and connects into, I've roughly connected it, as you can see here, into the two lines that come from the tortoise machines. And I've roughly hooked everything up, and I'm going to turn it on so they can actually see it work. Okay, toggle one way is green, center off, and toggle the other way is red. And as you can see here, with the rough wiring done on the tortoises, when I push the toggle one way, you can see the armatures move. For the LEDs, I use a 3mm bipolar red-green little dewey, and then I solder on a 560 ohm resistor on the anode or positive side of the LED. After that, I solder on red wire to the resistor part and a white wire to the cathode part of the LED. I then slip on a piece of shrink wrap and it goes right over the resistor. Put it right in, both red and white, and then use the lighter, and that's about it. I then splice it into the wires coming from the Tortoise machine, and those are the ones that go to the two center poles on the toggle switch. And I should have two lights. There we are, green for straight through, center off, and red for diverging. Now all I have to do is wire it permanently in place. There you have it. Everything's in place, and the turnouts work as they're supposed to. All I have to do now is trim things up, put the lights on the schematic panel, and we should be good to go. Now you can see that the new panel is in, and the toggle's in, and green on, center off, diverging, through traffic, diverging traffic.